Hello friends, welcome to this special effects tutorial from Aroha Media. In this assignment, we are going to learn how to animate a glowing effect of the sun. Let's begin by creating a new document. Then, go to the Properties window, select blue as the background color and apply it. Next, we go to the Layers option. Here, we select the oval tool from the toolbars and draw a circle. We delete the outline of the circle and convert it into a symbol. Name the symbol Sunglow and set the type as graphic. Now, on the same layer, we set the length of the animation to 39 frames. Now, we again create a symbol by entering the symbol and naming it as Sun Distort. Then, go to Modify Shape. In the Shape option, we select Soften Fill Edges. Now, the Soften Fill Edges dialog box will open. Here, we insert the values in the dialog box. We keep distance as 120, then number of steps as 14, and we select the direction as Expand. Next, we click OK. Now we can see the distorted circle here. Next, we come out of the symbol. Then, we draw a circle on that layer by using an oval tool. We can see that the circle is black. We align the circle to the center of the distorted circle on the earlier layer and delete the inner fill as seen in the video. Now we can see the outline of the circle and make it duplicate. Next, we press Ctrl plus Alt plus S. Here, the Scale and Rotate dialog box will open and we scale it down to 75%. Now, we fill both circles with black. Next, we select the whole circle and make a duplicate. Next, we again use Ctrl plus Alt plus S and we scale it down by 60%. That is, we make the circle small in size. Here, we can see one circle within another circle. Now we again select the small circle and we scale it down again to 60% by using Ctrl plus Alt plus S key. Here, we can see 3 circles on the screen. Next, we again draw one more circle in it by using the same process and fill it with black. Now, we delete the outlines of the circle and we select all the black circles and we create a new symbol. We convert it to symbol by using right-click and name it Shapes. Next, we enter into the Shapes symbol. Now, we are erasing some parts of it by using the Eraser tool. We can draw the line as we require and erase it. In short, we distort these edges as seen in the video. As you can see, we can use different sizes of erasers to erase. The reason of erasing is that we need a very distorted edge to the glow to make it effective. You will notice this in the preview. Now we can see that the fine circles appear distorted on the screen. The 4 circles which we have drawn earlier are distorted. Here, we have to create the same effect as seen on the screen. Now we are adding black patches in the white spaces by using the brush tool. We are erasing the more blackish area. We are erasing the large black patches and converting them into small ones. Please follow the steps in the video exactly. Next we are forming outer parts with sharp edges. Now we select the whole layer and mask the black object. Again, we select the black circles and scale it up by using Ctrl plus Alt plus S. We extend the length of the animation up to 47th frame. Now we can observe the slow speed animation on the screen. Now we lock the mask layer and we can see the mask part of the circle in white. And if we unlock the mask layer, we can see the circle in black. Next we scale it up by 125% by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus S. Here we can see the animation. And add one more layer 4. We select both the layers, then we copy both the shapes and mask layers and paste them on all the frames exactly as seen in the video. Now we can see the animation. Now we enter the symbol of the top layer which we have added. Here we select all the edges which we have distorted earlier. Here we can see that the space is being created in between edges of the circles. We retain the inner parts as it is and we select and delete the unwanted parts. Here, we draw some edges in the blank spaces by using the brush tool, and we scale down some parts of it. Next, we draw the small patches in the several blank spaces by using a brush tool. Here, we can see the animation. We lock all the layers except top layer, which we have copied earlier. We unlock the top layer and we keep onion skin on. Now we scale up the whole symbol to 105% by using Ctrl plus Alt plus S. Next, we again add two more layers as layer 5 and layer 6. Then we select the two bottom layers as layer 3 and layer 4, and we shift it on the top layer by using Alt. We select the Onion All option, by which we can select all the frames and scale them up to 102% by using Ctrl plus Alt plus S key. Now we play the animation. Next, we select the top layer by going to the first key and rotating it by 5 degrees by using Ctrl plus Alt plus S, and rotate it again by going to the last key. Here, we play the animation. We select all the layers and scale them up to 103%. Now we select the bottom layer which we have created to symbol the first time. And then we can see the white patch on the screen. We copy the white patch and shift it to the top layer. Now scale it down to 96%. Now we again scale it down to 92% by using Ctrl plus Alt plus S. We mask it. We again mask it by going to each and every layer. Now we come out of the symbol on layer 1 of the main screen. Now we play it and we can see the animation. Next, we again enter the symbol and we play it on the screen. Here, all the layers are locked. Next, we add one new layer. We draw a circle by using the oval tool. We align the circle to the center and scale it up to 115%. Now we enter the main symbol and then go to the color palette and select the radial option. We fill it up by black. Now we press the F key and we can adjust the radials as you can see in the video. Here, we can't see the radials because both the radials are white. We select both the radials and we can see two buckets on the toolbar. We have to change the values there. Now we keep alpha as 100 to one side and alpha as 0 to another side. Please follow the video. Now we come out of the symbol and play it. We can see the glowing animation now. In this way, we are able to achieve a good effect of glowing animation on the sun. You can experiment with the shapes of the glow and see how you get different results. Thank you.